Retírate por ahora. Retreat for now. Retreat for now. Retírate. Retreat. For ahora. Now. Retreat for now. Retírate por ahora. Este es nuestro último. This is our last one. This is our last one. Este es. This is. Nuestro. Our. Último. Last one. Este es nuestro último. This is our last one. Solo existe en tu imaginación. It only exists in your imagination. It only exists in your imagination. Solo. It only. Existe. Exist. En tu. In your. Imaginación. Imagination. It only exists in your imagination. Solo existe en tu imaginación. Debes darte prisa. You must hurry. You must hurry. Debes. You must. Darte prisa. Hurry. Debes darte prisa. You must hurry. Camina más lejos. Walk further. Walk further. Camina. Walk. Más lejos. Further. Walk further. Serás compensado. You will be compensated. You will be compensated. Serás. You will be compensado. Compensated. Serás compensado. You will be compensated. Tuvimos que parar. We had to stop. We had to stop. Tuvimos. We had. Que. To. Parar. Stop. We had to stop. Tuvimos que parar. No estaban felices. They were not happy. They were not happy. No estaban. They were not felices. Happy. No estaban felices. They were not happy. Debemos correr. We must run. We must run. Debemos. We must correr. Run. Debemos correr. We must run. Todavía duele. It still hurts. It still hurts. Todavía. It still duele. Hurts. It still hurts. Todavía duele. Son mis vecinos. They're my neighbors. They're my neighbors. Son. They're. Mis. My. Vecinos. Neighbors. They're my neighbors. Son mis vecinos. They're my neighbors. Tengo una cita. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. Tengo. I have. Una cita. An appointment. I have an appointment. Tengo una cita. I have an appointment. Tengo muchas copias. I have many copies. I have many copies. Tengo. I have. Muchas. Many. Copias. Copies. I have many copies. Tengo muchas copias. A mis hijos les gusta. My kids like it. My kids like it. A mis hijos, my kids, les gusta. Like it. My kids like it. A mis hijos les gusta. Tenemos mucho en común. We have lots in common. We have lots in common. Tenemos. We have. Mucho. Lots. En común. In common. We have lots in common. Tenemos mucho en común. We have lots in common. Ellos tienen más experiencia. They have more experience. They have more experience. Ellos, they, tienen, have, más, more, experiencia, experience. They have more experience. Ellos tienen más experiencia. Llame a la policía. Call the police. Call the police. Llame. Call a la policía. The police. Call the police. Llame a la policía. Podemos cooperar. We can cooperate. We can cooperate. Podemos. We can cooperar. Cooperate. We can cooperate. Podemos cooperar. Tenemos tales cosas. We have such things. We have such things. Tenemos. We have. Tales. Such. Cosas. Things. We have such things. Tenemos tales cosas. We have such things. Pone más sal. Put more salt. Put more salt. Ponle. Put. Más. More. Sal. Salt. Put more salt. Ponle más sal. Put more salt. Hazlo más pequeño. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Hazlo. Make it más pequeño. Smaller. Make it smaller. Hazlo más pequeño. Make it smaller. Arreglaremos el error. We will fix the mistake. We will fix the mistake. Arreglaremos. We will fix el error. The mistake. Arreglaremos el error. We will fix the mistake. Lo hice más grande. I made it bigger. I made it bigger. Lo hice. I made it más grande. Bigger. Lo hice más grande. I made it bigger. ¿Qué podemos hacer allí? What can we do there? What can we do there? ¿Qué? What? Podemos? Can we? Hacer? Do? Allí? There? What can we do there? ¿Qué podemos hacer allí? What can we do there? Nos vamos este fin de semana. We leave this weekend. We leave this weekend. Nos vamos. We leave. Este. This. Fin de semana. Weekend. We leave this weekend.